You're ready to expand your reselling business by listing products on multiple platforms. This is a really smart move. This approach increases visibility and the potential for making sales. So you've chosen OfferUp and Mercari, two popular marketplaces, but how do you list on both efficiently? In this video, I'll explain how to list products on OfferUp and Mercari at the same time, and I'll also link down below my preferred cross-listing app that I've been using. So first off, what is cross-listing? Cross-listing refers to advertising the same product on various online platforms. This strategy broadens your potential customer base and boosts the chances of selling your items more quickly. Think of it this way. Instead of having your product displayed in a single store, you're showcasing it in multiple locations, increasing its visibility and likelihood of attracting interested buyers. The power of cross-listing apps. Manually listing the same product on different platforms can be tedious and time-consuming. That's where cross-listing apps come into play. These software applications streamline the process, allowing you to manage your inventory and listings from a centralized location. Benefits of using cross-listing apps. Time saving. Instead of creating separate listings on each platform, you can duplicate listings with a single click, freeing up time to focus on other aspects of your business. Imagine the time you'll save by not having to manually input product details, descriptions, and photos for each platform. Increase visibility. Reach a wider audience by listing on multiple platforms, potentially leading to more sales and increased profits. Enhance brand credibility. Build trust with potential buyers as positive reviews from various platforms accumulate, showcasing your reliability as a seller. Think of it as receiving endorsements from different groups of people, solidifying your reputation as a trustworthy seller. Improve organization and inventory management. Keep track of inventory levels across multiple platforms, reducing the risk of overselling and streamlining order fulfillment. No more scrambling to find out which platform an order originated from. Valuable data and insights. Access sales data and analytics from all platforms, enabling data-driven decisions about pricing, marketing, and inventory management. Gain a holistic understanding of your business performance across platforms, enabling you to make informed decisions for growth. Recommended cross-listing apps. Several cross-listing apps are available, each with its own strengths and features. Do some research to find which one aligns with your specific needs and preferences. Some popular options include CrossList, which is known for its user-friendly interface, bulk listing capabilities, and compatibility with various marketplaces including OfferUp, Mercari, eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. Vendoo, designed specifically for secondhand clothing resellers, offering features like depopping and automated sharing to maximize visibility on platforms like Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. Vendoo is my preferred cross-listing app, and I've been using it for quite a while now, so I'll leave it linked down below. And then we have List Perfectly. And so this caters to resellers in various categories, providing bulk listing, inventory management, and analytics tools to streamline operations. Remember that the ideal cross-listing app depends on your individual requirements. Consider factors such as ease of use, pricing, supported platforms, and available features before making your selection. Here are some important considerations. When cross-listing on OfferUp and Mercari, it's essential to understand the specific guidelines and best practices for each platform. Be aware of the selling and listing fees associated with both OfferUp and Mercari. Factor these fees into your pricing strategy to ensure that you're profitable. OfferUp primarily focuses on local in-person transactions, but also offers nationwide shipping for a fee. Mercari specializes in shipping, requiring all transactions to be shipped. Determine which shipping methods you'll offer and factor those costs into your pricing. Tailor your product descriptions and images to appeal to the target audience of each platform. While OfferUp emphasizes local transactions and practicality, Mercari users may be drawn to unique or trendy items. Regarding communication and customer service, you want to make sure that you respond promptly and professionally to all inquiries. OfferUp users often prefer direct communication within the app, while Mercari buyers may utilize the platform's offer system. Now, as far as researching and understanding your target audience, you want to make sure that you identify the demographics and preferences of users on both OfferUp and Mercari. Tailor your listings and communication style accordingly. For instance, if you're selling vintage clothing, emphasize its unique qualities and history in Mercari while highlighting its condition and affordability on OfferUp. You want to make sure that you optimize your listings, which means craft compelling titles, detailed descriptions, and high quality photos that showcase your product's best features. Remember, a picture speaks 1,000 words, so invest in time to taking clear, well-lit photos that highlight the item's condition. You want to make sure you research similar items on both platforms to determine a fair competitive price. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract buyers and encourage sales. Respond to inquiries promptly, address concerns thoroughly, and strive to create a positive buying experience. Building a good reputation through exceptional customer service can lead to repeat buyers and positive reviews, further boosting your sales. By following these tips and leveraging the power of cross-listing apps, you can streamline your selling process, expand your reach, and ultimately increase your sales and profitability on both OfferUp and Mercari. I hope you found this video helpful.